Understanding CSS allows you to fully customize web designs. It allows designers to override default themes, ensuring brand consistency. Mastering CSS structure empowers you to apply unique styles, enhancing client satisfaction. The information in this presentation is optional for the success in this course. However, if you are interested in diving deeper, please review the supplied resources. Graphic designers often rely on site builders or developers, but understanding cascading style sheets allows for theme overrides, ensuring client-specific styling. Explore the detailed cascading style sheet structure and resources provided to enhance your ability to write or edit custom CSS. CSS styles can be embedded in a document's head tag or stored externally. Embedded styles apply to a single document, complicating site-wide updates. External style sheets, which is a best practice, are separate CSS files linked to HTML documents, allowing consistent styling across multiple pages. This approach simplifies maintenance and ensures uniformity. A CSS rule set is composed of a selector and a declaration block. The selector targets the HTML element to style, while the declaration block, enclosed in curly braces, contains property value pairs separated by semicolons. Each declaration ends with a semicolon, ensuring clarity and structure in styling. CSS selectors are used for styling HTML elements. Tag selectors redefine HTML tags and apply automatically. Class selectors, starting with a period, can be used multiple times per page. ID selectors, beginning with a £, apply to a single element. Each type offers unique control over styling. HTML tag element selectors use the tag name directly, like body for text formatting or H1 for headings. They apply automatically to elements such as lists and structural tags like header, nav, and footer. This ensures consistent styling across similar elements without additional markup. Class selectors are manually applied to text elements using existing HTML elements. They start with a period and a letter, allowing multiple elements to share the same style. This flexibility makes class selectors ideal for styling groups of elements consistently across a web page. ID selectors are essential for uniquely identifying content areas within a web page. They are applied manually and can only be used once per page, ensuring a unique style for a specific element. Always begin with the hash symbol followed by a letter, making them distinct from class selectors. Advanced selectors enhance cascading style sheets efficiency. Grouping selectors allow styling multiple elements simultaneously, reducing redundancy. Pseudo-class selectors target elements based on their state, like hover or focus, adding interactivity. Compound selectors combine multiple selectors for precise targeting, offering specific control over styling. Group selectors allow you to apply the same style to multiple HTML elements, streamlining your CSS. For instance, H1, H2, H3, color blue, styles all headings in blue. However, more specific selectors can override these styles, ensuring flexibility in design adjustments. Pseudo-class selectors target specific parts or states of elements, like styling the first letter of a paragraph or link states. Please note, hover states do not apply on touchscreens. Combination selectors enhance styling precision by using combinators. The descendant selector targets elements within a specified ancestor. The child selector selects direct children. The adjacent sibling selector targets the immediate sibling, while the general sibling selector applies to all siblings. These tools refine element targeting for efficient styling. View the examples on the next few slides. The descendant selector targets all elements nested within a specified element. For instance, div P selects every paragraph inside a div, which is a block of content. The child selector targets elements that are direct children of a specified parent. For instance, div P applies styles to the first paragraph element directly after the div tag. The adjacent sibling selector targets elements immediately following a specified element, sharing the same parent. For instance, use the adjacent sibling selector to style all paragraphs that follow the DV tag. The general sibling selector targets all sibling elements of a specified element, not just the immediate one. For instance, using div~p will apply styles to all elements that are siblings within the div tag. Specificity in CSS determines which rule applies when multiple rules conflict. The hierarchy is as follows. ID selectors are most specific, followed by class selectors and then tag selectors. This means an ID selector will override a class or tag selector, ensuring precise styling control. HTML elements inherit specific style properties from their parent elements. For instance, you can set a font face for the body and adjust only the size for headings, which inherit the font face from the body tag. Text-related properties like font size and color are typically inherited, while properties affecting the element's box, like borders and margins, are not. In CSS, when style rules of identical weight conflict, the last rule applied takes precedence. For instance, in the example with paragraph elements, the color green is applied last, so all paragraphs will appear green. This principle ensures that the most recent style rule is the one that is displayed. For those seeking to deepen their understanding of HTML and CSS, W3 Schools offers comprehensive tutorials. Additionally, Code Academy provides interactive learning experiences and courses for mastering essential and advanced web development skills. You could also learn as you go, which most designers do, problem solving as needed to create the desired result. Also, with AI, you can have AI write the specific code as long as you know what you're looking for.